Hi, my name is Philip from Notum Technologies, and I will be showing you today how to make a full stack application in one day using Next.js and Strapi. For that, we are going to be using our beautiful Strapi-Next Monorepo Starter that is publicly available. You can check it out and start a project with it today. So we would like to build a landing page for the StrapiConf that is going to be held in May 2025. We are going to be attending, so we would like to build a small landing page where people can come and check us out. In order to make design a little bit simpler, we will be using an AI tool from Vercel called v0. It basically takes a prompt and outputs a Next.js basic application that we can copy into our template, and we can start a brand new project in a few minutes. Amazing. Let's check out how the prompt looks like. So basically, I added a quick little description of what I would like to achieve, all the information about the company and other things. Also, I added some sections, what I would like to have in the application. And so after a few iterations, as you can see, we are on version 5 right now. We've got this very nice simple application that we would like to use as our base. Right here we have a hero section with all the other sections, a marquee, a very beautiful call to action everywhere. It's very nice. It's using the ShatCN UI library under the hood with Tailwind, so it's a very modern project that we can use right away. If we are happy with what we have, we can click here and download the zip. Also, we need to go to the page of the template, and we can click here and create a new repository. Basically, we will add the repository name, the description, and we can choose if it's private or public, and we can click on create repository right here. In the next video, we will be adding all the code, and we will be running the front end, and we will maybe fine tune a little bit on the UI side of the project. See you there.